And here we have day 12 of our 12 days of Christmas. So feed the birds for tuppence a bag. Buy a 4-port Big Easy metal sea feeder for £21.95 and get 1 kilo of original wild bird food for just 2p. The Big Easy is big, it's tough and it's easy to clean. The seed ventilation system keeps food fresh for longer. It comes with our ever popular Super Clean Original Wild Bird Food, a tried and tested recipe since the 1960s. Wild Bird Original contains high energy, whole grain cereals for slow release. And that's day 12 at only £21.97.